What's going on, guys? My name's Gerard. Today we're gonna learn how to frontside kick turn. Yeah! Before you learn this trick, you're gonna wanna know how to backside kick turn. So frontside kick turn is pretty much the same as backside kick turn. You're just turning the other way. So the reason it's called frontside is because when you come up the ramp and you turn, the front of your body is facing the ramp. And that's gonna be pretty consistent with a lot of the tricks we're gonna learn coming up, like frontside axle, frontside 5-0, that kind of stuff. How the trick works, you're gonna come up, turn your body, if you're goofy like me, to the right. If you're regular, it's gonna be to the left. Turn your board back in, slam it down, and ride away. I do like to have my foot placement a little bit different for a frontside kick turn than a backside kick turn. And really the main difference is I like to put my front foot up a little bit more, almost just covering the front two bolts. Especially when you're learning, I feel like that gives you a lot of leverage to get your body all the way around. There's really two keys to this trick. The first one, just like a regular kick turn, is making sure that you turn your shoulders all the way around. A backside kick turn, you're kind of closing your shoulders off to the ramp, and a frontside kick turn, you're opening them up. It can be a really weird feeling at first, but just focus on opening up, for me, my right shoulder, and turning your head around, and your board will follow you. The second key to the trick is the pivot point. So on a backside kick turn, you're pivoting on your toe. On a frontside kick turn, you're actually gonna pivot on your heel. So instead of putting a little bit of toe pressure, focus on putting some pressure on your heel when you're turning around. That pressure on your heel is gonna make sure that that board comes all the way around. When you're first learning this trick, go at a little bit more of an angle, smaller on the ramp. By going at a wider angle, it makes it so you don't have to turn as much. Then when you get comfortable, go higher up the ramp and try and go straight up and down. Nice, so you just learned how to frontside kick turn. It's kind of that last maneuver that you learn as a part of those basic mini ramp tricks. The sooner you get comfortable leaning on that heel, the easier it's gonna make it for you to learn some of those intermediate tricks like frontside axle stall, frontside 5-0, frontside disaster, all that good stuff. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, let me know what trick you wanna learn next or what trick you wanna see me learn next. And if you learn a new trick, send a video my way, you might find yourself at the end of the next video. Till then, see you next time. Video's over.
And then you can
Don't
add
worry
that.
about watching it anymore, but press that subscribe button. Like that?
Yeah, like that.
No.